What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making the viral Dubai chocolate bar. This milk chocolate bar is filled with katafi and pistachio cream. They can be difficult to find in the stores as they've been selling out, so I decided to make my own. Here is a list of ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. On medium heat, melt butter in a deep pan. You need to first toast your katafi until it is lightly golden brown. Katafi is a shredded phyllo dough that is a popular Middle Eastern dessert. Add your pistachio cream and mix well. Melt your chocolate chips in 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring in between till smooth. Cover your candy molds in a thin layer of chocolate. Then place in the fridge for 10 minutes to set. Then pack with the delicious crunchy filling. And cover with a thin layer of chocolate. Then set in the fridge for about 30 minutes in order to set. Take the chocolate bars out of the molds and enjoy the sweet treat. Be sure to like and subscribe for some more tasty recipes. Bye.